Here we have an example from 12.8. It says that a license plate is to consist of 3 digits followed by 5 uppercase letters. Determine the number of different license plates possible if the first and second digits must be odd and repetition is not permitted. So to work this problem, we're going to use the counting principle. If you remember from a previous section, the counting principle dealt with multiple events. M was the number of outcomes for the first event. We'd multiply that by the number of outcomes in the second event to get the total number of outcomes. So we're going to do the same thing here, and our different events are actually going to be the different places that we have that would either be a number or letter in our license plate. So the details in the problem state that the first and the second digits must be odd. Now we have 3 digits. Okay, so this would be a digit, this is a digit, this is a digit. It says that the first and second must be odd and repetition is not permitted. So let's just look at the very first digit. If the only stipulation on it is that it's a number and it must be odd, we need to count how many odd numbers that we have. So the number of odd digits, remember we're looking at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The odd digits would be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different outcomes for the first digit, or 5 possibilities for that first digit. The second digit, because repetition is not permitted, it also needed to be an odd number, but since repetition isn't permitted, then it goes from 5 possibilities to 4, since whatever odd digit we just used, we would not want to repeat. And then our third digit, it does not have to be odd because only the first and second digits must be odd. However, repetition is still not permitted. So if repetition is not permitted and you've already used 2 digits, we had a total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits, but we've already used 2. So for this particular place on the license plate, there are 8 different options. And then the rest of the license plate are letters, 5 uppercase letters. There's nothing that says, other than repetition not being permitted, we'll start with a total of 26 different options for the first letter. Since repetition is not permitted, then the next letter we could only choose from 25 of the letters, and then that will continue to decrease. So 25, 24, 23, and then lastly 22. So then to get the total number of different license plates, we would want to multiply these numbers together. So I'm going to type that in the calculator. 5 times 4 times 8, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. It should be really large. Okay, and I've done that here. And we would get, let's place our commas here. Looks like that total number would be, it would be 1,262,976,000 different license plate options with these stipulations.